Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are doing the unboxing for ColorRush Studio's kit collection for the month of September. It is called, you know what, I forgot to look. It is called like, I don't even know. I'm sorry. I don't know the name of the kit, but it's for September and it is definitely out of the box and I'm here for it. So I have the main kit, I have the acrylic kit, and then I have the bold kit, which is from Photoplay. So we'll go over the main kit first, and I have my daughter here with me who's going to help show the items. Okay, so the first one, the kit comes with some like of these details. This seems to be a washi tape. So we have a floral, a stripe, a hashtag, a heart, almost like ledger, and then scribbles, and then these are stickers on black and white and gray.
I love this heart.
Yeah, that one's cute. All right, then we have some cork elements. And then we have some puffy elements that have glitter inside. So we have 2 stars and a moon.
Wow. I'm getting these out.
Okay, so one says adventure. One is a geometric mountain range, a peace sign, and what's that last one too?
Just give me 1 minute to open it or get it out. It's
shake it. Shake it. There you go.
It's
a smiley face.
Smiley face and this mini little
lovely. Put it on the card and let's set it aside.
And
okay. Then we have.
Should I open these?
No, it's okay. Okay. Then we have frazzles and ribbons. So we have a black and white, a purple star, a black and white,
and the same thing in blue.
Yeah.
I love these stars.
Got puffy alphas, like a teal color, almost like a turquoise.
I like this color. It's like mermaid.
And yellow. And this one says freckled fawn. I wonder if this one is too. Doesn't indicate it, but a yellow and a alpha, a green alpha.
We have, I think, stickers, but they're like a bunch of colors. Should we open them up?
Yes.
I'll open them. Oh, and this on my hand is just pen that I wrote on myself to check something. Wow.
Just easy like that, and then hold it, and then you open it.
Wow.
Okay, so there's a pink star in there.
Yeah, and we have a blue star.
Okay.
A pretty butterfly. Let me try to make you see it.
Nice.
Pretty butterfly.
We have a geometric bear.
2 matching like bunch of colors.
Paint swabs.
And
peace signs.
Peace sign. And this says
faith over fear. A lion.
And these ones are sparkly.
Ooh, these are sparkly. There's like almost like an iridescent glittery.
Here's another happy face. And we have this. Oops, I dropped one.
Okay. This one's full and like a little fox geometric animal.
We have the same thing as last time. A big happy face animal.
I love in the spray can, so you can kind of see the vibe, and I'm here for it. I am here for it. It's bright neon colors.
I love
the geometric animals.
This is my favorite one, and here's my second favorite one.
Sparkly one? Yeah.
These ones are my favorite.
Those are 2 good ones. Okay, so let me push these over to the side real quick.
Now time for paper.
Okay.
So this one has a lot of stars, and this one's really unique. Let's see on the back. It has like
a repeating pattern, so I have 2 of those.
Oh, this one is kind of like my favorite. So
rainbow.
It has a rainbow, purple, a dark blue, light blue, and then green, yellow,
and then it's a plaid in the back.
And then on the back is
flowers in like a coral color. So that's good. That repeats.
And we have dots. It's a bunch of colored dots. And then on the back is rainbow. I like that.
Rainbow plaid. I like that.
I love this. Oh, and we both paint our nails.
Yeah, we did. Okay. Green polka dot.
Green polka dots. Okay. And it has like this kind
of grid, black and white grid in the back. Another rainbow plaid.
And another one. And on the back is like the same
black
thing.
Black and white, like hashtag. Or like
and we
plaid.
Have a bear.
Ooh, the bear.
And then on the back is little hearts.
Nice. Oh, I like the
These
like
look,
bubbles.
yeah, I think rainbow bubbles with a yellow background, and then
Ooh,
mountains.
rainbow mountains.
Like that.
And a grid. Very cool. Ooh, I like that. Painted brush strokes.
Paint. And then on the back is like
Ooh.
splatters of paint.
I like. Ooh, drippies.
Drips of paint.
Mm-hmm.
And then on the back, smiley faces. Give me a sec. We have a bunch of smiley faces in different sizes.
I like it. Oh, I like this one too.
And then
see all the
it's
water?
like a diamonds. Diamonds.
And then it has all this like watercolor in the background in different colors. Oh, and the back is a repeating blue.
We have polka dots, like greenish blue, and then on the back is like hexagons.
Pink.
Pink.
And the last one.
Reddish pink
polka
dots.
So
and then
a pink plaid.
Yeah.
All right. So that is the main kit to this collection. And then let's go over the acrylic kit. Okay, so the acrylic kit.
Can we open it?
No, we're not. I don't have to open it. It says "You Are More Than Enough." It's pink.
And we have butterflies that are like yellow, white, and purple.
Perfect. And then this one says "Faith Moves."
This
in white.
And this one is black, but it has mountains and a cute little star.
And then it says "Live in Color" in yellow.
And this one says
"Get Lost."
Get Lost, and a star, and it's in black.
Okay, that's that. And then, and then this is the bold kit featuring photo play. This is called This Happy Life Collection. So the first ones we got are some like pillowy fabric hearts.
We got some flowers. There's different colors.
And then we got 3 guest checks. Super cute.
We got different kinds of stickers like a Stanley camera over here. We have a bunch of like school supplies and like a bunch of like home stuff.
A little guest check there and some title pieces. And then papers.
We have this like flower one and yellow
with
dots.
pink polka dots. You see that?
It's
hard.
Yeah. It's like not focusing. And flowers like in frames. And then on the back is like
a repeating leaves, foliage, green leaves. Okay.
And then this is like strips.
Diagonal stripes.
And then flowers, pink flowers.
Cute. Ooh, and then the little guest checks.
Oh, and it has smiley faces here.
Cute.
And the back is like this
blue. All right. So tons of cool things. Let me clear off my desk and we will be working on my first project featuring the September kit, and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're going to be working in my 6x8 family album. If you're familiar with my channel, you know that I always have an ongoing family story album that kind of goes like hand in hand with my project life, except I go more into larger photos, longer stories in this one to tell about whatever I may be documenting. So in this album, I do try to go chronological. It does stay for the most part chronological, but sometimes we do bounce around. So the layout that's on the right side is a last month's layout featuring the August kit, which was the, what was it called? It was the Fair collection from Simple Stories. So that's the back side. So we will be using the pocket page. So we're going to, and then on the other side was a summer photo that I did for Color Cast Design. So at least we have a full page on one side and then using pocket pages on the other. So I cut my page down to fit outside the page protector, which would be 7 by 8 1/4. And then I also added a 2x2 square strips over to the opposite side so that these 2 pages can coordinate quite nicely. So just keep that in mind whenever you're doing that kind of like double page layout, to have elements on one side coordinate with the opposite side. This always happens very easily when you're using the contents of a kit for sure. And I was just, I think, trimming them down because sometimes these page protectors, do you ever experience this where, yeah, they're like 2x2 pockets and naturally you just cut everything by 2x2. But then when you go to actually put it into the pocket, it's slightly smaller than 2x2. So then everything needs to be like trimmed down like a millimeter or 2. And these were from scrapbook.com, these inserts, but man, I swear I don't know what it is, like with the batch lately, even for my page protectors in 12 by 12, they're a hair shy than a classic 4 by 6, and they're a hair shy of a 3 by 4. So even when I print out my 4 by 6, I'm having to shave off like a good 2 millimeters or so, you know, from the lengthwise to fit in a set of page protectors. And those ones were all like Studio Calico brand that Allie Edwards carries. When I've purchased straight from scrapbook.com, they're usually really good. And this set with the 4x4 and the 2x2s is from scrapbook.com, but I don't know, maybe I got a batch that just, you know, did it as a 2x2, but failed to remember where you adhere the pockets to be, and that marcation, you know, took away probably from the 2x2. Anyways, I'm rambling and complaining about something that's probably not noticeable to many, but for me has been quite noticeable when things have to be trimmed down because they're not classically the size they should be. So I am using the back side of the paper, which is that like grid black and white pattern paper for the top portion, and then I'm going to fill the other pocket with a 4x4 photo, and then we will be putting a 4x6 photo on the full page pattern paper. Now, I'm here for this collection. This collection is speaking to my 80s, 90s inner child with the neon colors. Anytime anything drops that's neon collection, whether it was Dina Wakley or, you know, even Simon Hurley recently released Lunar Paste that were in neon colors. Oh, yes, baby, add to cart. This collection, if I wasn't already a subscriber on her design team, add to cart. I am here for the neon life. So I was all about it, and I loved how it turned out. Okay, that will wrap up my layout in my 6x8. I just had to use this smiley face one. It totally reminds me of like 80s, 90s, a Lisa Frank moment vibe. Love it. Love the stickers that have like the iridescent coating on them. So that's also new in this kit. That have like the little sparkly topper. Like, stop it. I can't wait to use more of this. Like, like so good. If you couldn't see it before, like they're really, really good. So I will leave this kit linked down below. Remember, this is the September. See, I'm so lost. September ColorRush Studio kit, and I will leave it linked down below. It is really good. Oh, and I think I probably said in my voiceover, just my acrylic piece is from last month's kit, just because the ones from this month were too big. Like I was auditioning them, like this is too big, and then the Faith Moves didn't really work, and then Live in Color, it could have gone, but I think it was wider than 4 inches. And then Get Lost, I didn't want to use Get Lost. Yeah, so I didn't want to use that. So this one's last month. So it's still in the ColorRush collection. So that was just last month's that I still had left over. And then my 2x2s, since I was using the backside of a layout I did last month with the kit. So very cute. Love the smiley faces. Love how it turned out. And until next time, everyone, I will leave everything linked down below. Give this video a thumbs up. It always helps my channel grow. And until next time, everyone, bye.